Hi, this is Don with Learn and Earn .biz, digital marketing. I just wanted to stop in and ask you a quick question if you were ready to retire. Uh, if you're going to retire soon, are you going to have enough funds to last? That was my problem. I had to take a mandatory retirement due to a heart condition. And I knew that I didn't have enough money to uh, live off Social Security. Or I just couldn't live off Social Security, and I couldn't draw my funds because I would have run out of money before I was ready to, and that would have just put us in even more trouble. So my wife and I sat down and we tried to figure out a plan that we were going to be able to survive and we were going to be able to enjoy our golden years. I certainly just didn't want to sit around like a bump in a log and not be able to go anyplace. And had to save for 2 months to maybe go out to dinner or something. So uh, I looked into digital marketing. I found this program. Uh, it's called the Legacy Program. It's a blueprint. Um, that if you follow it step by step, you can succeed in it. Uh, we did just that. We bought the program. Uh, it's not an MLM. There's no overlinks or underlinks under you. You are the boss. You make the decisions. You call the shots. In any case, we went ahead and we did that, and we started working on it together. And we actually started having a lot of fun together, putting together some videos and getting them out there into the social media, which cost us nothing because you can advertise on these things free. And there's no monthly overhead on this program, so it was a one-time charge, and we were done. All we had to do is just enjoy it and work it. So it filled in some of the gaps that we needed, and we're not sitting at home like a couple of bumps on the logs, crying in our brew, as they might say. Uh, we took action, and we're glad we did. So I'm sort of just pushing this on to you. If you are thinking about retirement soon, or if you've already retired, uh, maybe it's kind of time to check into this program and secure your future a little bit better. Uh, for more information on this, go to my website, www.learnandearn.biz. It's an easy one to remember. Learnandearn.biz. And you'll get all the facts there. It's a wonderful community, and even though that you're in business for yourself, you're not in business by yourself because this group does not want you to fail. Fail is just not in our vocabulary, and everybody's out there to give you a helping hand. So again, go to my website, learnandearn.biz, or if you have some questions and you just want to email me, please feel free to email me at Don, um, first name Don, Don, at learnandearn.biz. Again, very easy, Don at learnandearn.biz. And I'll be glad to answer any questions that you might have on this. So, y'all take care. Happy retirement. We're going to go enjoy our golden years. We're able to travel a little bit. We're able to see the grandkids. Uh, we even get out to dinner, and it's just not McDonald's. So you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.